How to start a Chipotle catering order online. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and then search cateringchipotle.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here you can click on build your single and build as you want, or you also find popular builds at the bottom, and you can also change the people size, and maximum and minimum is shown. You can click on add to bag. You'll find delivery or pickup. Click on the one you prefer. I'm simply clicking pickup. Now search your city, and then here you'll find select and continue. On the left side you'll find different restaurants. Then click on select your pickup date, and then select your pickup date. After you've selected your pickup date, confirm it, and then select pickup time. Event type, you can add it. If not, you can simply press on add to bag at the bottom. After you've clicked on add to bag, you'll find all your information. Add your first name, last name, email, and your phone number. Then press on continue. After you've pressed on continue in here, scroll down and click on looks good. After you've clicked on looks good, simply add your payment method and you're good to go. This is how to start a Chipotle catering order online. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.